Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We have got some work to do today. I'll show you what I'm going to be working with. Old Tahoe pulling the tractor. Hey, you got to do what you got to do. So what we're going to do, you can see I have the king cutter again. So, any guesses? Yeah, I'm going to till up the garden spot, probably till up the neighbor's garden spot. Then I got this rock rake here. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to drag the goat pen and try to pick up just all the stuff that keeps washing up that I tell you about after every rain. And I'm going to drag back behind by the pecan tree where we're going to start the treehouse project. I want to make sure to try to get all the clutter and stuff picked up so when we're working around there, we won't be stepping on anything or tripping over anything or any of that jazz. So I'm going to get that area cleaned up. And we're just getting ready for this Okie homestead coming up. It's going to be awesome. By the time you see this video, it'll already be over. And but we're so looking forward to it. It's going to be awesome. Cannot wait to meet everyone. Without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, let's get to tilling up the garden. Best thing about this is full tank. So we're going to extend the garden this year. It's going to be a few more passes wider probably than in the years past. So alrighty, let's get going. Alrighty guys, well Hunter and I got the garden tilled up for the first time. We'll till it up a few more times before we plant, but it's just outside of Thor barking. Did you hear the songbirds this morning? It was just a beautiful morning here on the homestead. They're going crazy. It feels like spring finally. Just a beautiful morning, no wind. Really be a perfect day to be out on the water, but when you got a homestead, you got responsibilities. Okay, we got a responsibility to get this garden going. We got a responsibility to the animals, to the family, so can't have fun all the time. But these birds are awesome. So I got the rock rake hooked up now. We're gonna go clean back there by where we're gonna do the tree house, and then we're gonna go into the goat pen. I got a few things I want to haul out while I have the tractor and this tow strap here. So we're gonna do that, and then maybe if we get done in time, I might be able to sneak off and go fishing for a little bit. So let's get going. Woo, man, this is the perfect day. I'm gonna come back here and show you what we got going on. We got like 4 burn piles going here, and I'm not gonna get grandma on camera now. So if I do, I might edit it out maybe. There she is right there. So I have not raked the goat pen yet. I've been raking all this back here. You can see how this is all cleared up. Got just a ton of brush and stuff. I got that pile pushed up over there that I will burn when we get back. We got to go run some errands, go to Lindy's uncle and pick up some beef. But I got this starting to clear up back here. Starting to. But they're still just...
I want to climb up a ladder.
Alright. There's still just a plethora of junk back here. But I was sitting back here looking. Got this big hill right here, and you got this creek right here that runs through here. And I would really like to dig it out a little more and possibly try to build a pond back here in the woods. Ain't it, bro?
Yeah.
But that's one day at a time. So when we get back, we're going to light up that brush pile, and then I'll drag out the goat pen and move that stuff.
This is really scary.
It's really scary. You may not like that tree house then.
I mean, this stuff, you need to nail this down.
What do you need to nail it down for?
Like, what if it falls?
It's not. Shake it. It's not even moving. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little while. Well, it's finally evening time. We got, oh, well, I broke the tractor. I didn't show you that part. I might go show it to you, or that maybe on the next video, putting it back together. Probably will be. Anyways, the tree got caught up in the bucket, broke the hydraulic line off the bucket inside the cylinder. So here's the cylinder. I'll show you that. So you can see there, that's got to be tapped out. But why we're rolling this footage is I can't believe Hunter's wanting to do this, because he's not the bravest cat we got around the homestead. But
Scared us.
tell what we're gonna do.
We're gonna tie this string to the football. And tie this to my tooth.
Let me see your teeth. Yeah. Then what?
We're gonna throw the football in
You're
my
gonna
tooth.
throw the football, right?
It's
Pop
gonna
the
yank
tooth
out my tooth.
You're for sure gonna do this. All right.
I don't know. I'm gonna plug my ears. He might scream. I mean, he said he wanted to ride a dirt bike, and then he didn't want to ride a dirt bike.
Come here, bud.
Out there. You can try it two ways.
Hold on.
Look at his ears.
You've got to open your mouth, bro. Leave it open.
I can't hold it any longer. It hurts. I can't hold it any longer. It hurts there too. Ow, that hurts. That hurts. I need it off. That hurts.
I don't know if it's gonna work or not.
I'm so
Hold on,
scared.
let's do it on the porch.
I'm so scared.
Hey, don't knock it off. Come here, let me see it.
I gotta leave.
All right, ready?
It'll be epic.
It will not. It'll hurt. I know.
Hey,
Go to Daddy.
don't be fast. Don't be
Break
fast.
it back.
I don't want to.
Let me get on the other side.
Damn!
I'm not doing it.
Damn! Hut, throw it here.
I
Close
don't.
your eyes and throw it.
No.
Close your eyes and throw it.
No.
on.
I don't want to. It's too scary.
Don't you want the tooth fairy to come?
Hunter, you're like, yeah, I want to do this, and now you're like, I don't want
Always
to do
does
it.
this.
I don't want to do it.
Alrighty guys, well, Hunter decided he wasn't ready to throw the football and knock his tooth out. So that's all we got on today's video. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And we'll catch you guys next time when I got to put this tractor back together and finish the work. So see you guys later.